Welcome aboard the 98 Silver Meteor. We began in Miami, Florida. We're going to end up in New York City, the Big Apple, running 5 minutes early. Blasting by at 65 miles per hour. Ain't it freaking awesome? 40 Floridian from Miami all the way to Chicago, that windy city. Taking 2.5 days to get there, many stops along the way. Running here about 5 minutes early. Just a ripping through Highlands County doing 70 miles an hour. Hey y'all, thanks for watching Wendy's Trains. We'll see you next time. God bless.